Hey guys, we're here today at Number 9 Farms and we're going to unpack our new KitchenAid 14 cup food processor. And here we go. We've been needing one of these for quite some time, as I'm told quite regularly that we need one of these because I chop too slow.
And we do a lot of cooking.
That's why today we're over here in the kitchen in our house instead of our commercial kitchen next door. 'Cause this is for us. Oh, woohoo!
And guess what we're going to be making with
Our new food processors. We're going to make Pico De Gallo today.
Bruce calls it Pico De Mayo.
Yeah, because I want to go to Cinco de Mayo every day. All right, so here we go.
So this is the exciting.
Right.
Okay, and it's 14 cups, and this one has the adjustable blade thickness. So that's going to be really nice. Sophia wants out. She's not locked in the room.
Okay, and this looks like it came with it looks like a blade storage.
Oh, and the dicer.
Another blade storage.
Oh my goodness.
Looks like a whole lot of stuff that we'll never use. All right. Wow, it's really big.
Wow.
It is big, isn't it? Okay, so there is the...
Even the box is huge.
Yeah, wow, all right.
Oh my goodness, look how huge that is, guys.
Wow. Okay.
Alright, so let me, Oh, and this is where you adjust the blade at, right here.
Oh, this is really nice.
Alright, so I guess what we're going to do now, guys, is assemble this and see how we can go from there and open everything up.
All right.
Because we're super excited.
Guys, we got it out of the box and I put it together, and I'm using the Dyson kit first. One little quick note is you definitely got to make sure that the feed tube is facing you. There's a little notch inside the processor there. I don't know if you can see it, but that will not fit if it's faced around the other direction, okay? So you have to have...
And ask Bruce how he knew.
Yeah, because my princess straightened me out on that. And then you lock it in and you are good to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our onions first. I'm going to cut them to fit in the size of the hole. So this is our first time using this.
The dicer.
The dicer.
And, well, any of it.
Any of it. So let's see how it goes. Turn it on. And...
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, so that's how like...
You have a...
I have a thing for that, don't I? Alright.
That's really fast, though. You don't need to be that fast.
Alright, guys.
Wow.
So we run a little bit of the onion through.
That's amazing. Look at that, how good it has done. That
Yeah.
gives a new meaning to putting onions on your hot dogs.
And they didn't really tell us much in the book about what speed to run it on or anything like that. So we're kind of just trial and error and learning as we go. So I'm going to finish the
Or
onion.
did they, Bruce?
I don't know. You in charge of reading the manual.
How cool is that?
That is so cool.
I think Bruce got a new toy.
Let's hope so. Yeah, I like that.
Wow.
Anything that keeps me from slicing so much.
That's amazing. I don't know who's got the bigger grin, me or...
Yeah, I love it. Add a little bit more onion. does come with a blade cleaner that you can clean after you get through the onions.
Because they are very sharp.
Their blades are very sharp. Alright, so now we'll take it out. Get a bowl. You can remove the blade. And then in the dicing kit, it came with a little cleaner that's supposed to help you clean your blades. So let's see if this thing works pretty good.
You gotta put it in the hole right.
Yeah, that's right. Luckily for me, I have an expert helper here today. And that's exactly what it did. It did push it all right through. All right. Woo. And they are strong onions. Now all I need is my assistant to get me a bowl. And we'll be back to do the tomatoes, guys, okay? Right, guys, I pre-cut the tomatoes. We cleaned out the food processor with the onions. This is our onions. So now we're gonna do our tomatoes and then our cilantro and jalapenos. Okay, here we go. I got a new toy. All toys come with a mess.
Well, those tomatoes are a little soft too.
Yeah, that might be a part of the problem.
They're super, super fresh. They're the delicious, good salsa kind. It goes so fast.
It really does.
Alrighty.
Alright guys, we're going to use a chopping blade now to chop up the jalapenos.
Look at that. Look at that perfect little tiny.
You think that's small enough?
Yeah, yeah. Alright, get the cilantro now.
Just mix the cilantro in there with that?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Let's see what happens.
See, the jalapenos had a little kick.
Yeah, I know jalapenos had a lot of kick.
You gotta use these.
Yeah. Of course, we like cilantro. Cilantro. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. All right.
What do you think about that, bro?
Get the chips. Get the Mo-Bro chips. All right. And that looks pretty good. I'm gonna try the new adjustable blade with a cucumber. So I guess what I'm gonna do is start out thin, and then I guess I should cut the cucumber in half. What we'll do is we're gonna go all the way thin. Then I'll even adjust it to thick while it's in there. Let's see, because we're gonna want it thick for what we do.
Wow.
And that was fast. I'm just hoping it's thick enough.
And that was all the way thick?
That was as thick as it goes. Let's
Alright,
let's
so
take
now
a look at them, guys.
you use those two whole things for to pull it out.
All right.
So, oh yeah, that's nice thick.
There's the thick one right there, guys.
Look at that. And then do the thin one. Oh wow, look at that.
That is thin.
Okay, and now all we gotta do now is squeeze the lime. And this is 2 cups of tomatoes, 2 cups of onions, and 2 cups of cilantro, and
2 jalapenos.
2 jalapenos.
Now we're going to take 2 limes.
2 limes, and then some salt.
And
Mix in. And this is the recipe from
the Pioneer woman.
Yeah.
I married the real Pioneer woman. Pioneer princess.
Yeah, okay.
So we.
Go.
No
All
better.
right, so who's gonna be the first person to taste the Pico De Gallo?
Pico De Gallo. Where's it at?
Get the chips.
Notice how everybody comes out of the woodwork when it's ready. After all the work is done.
I did it all. I'm kidding.
All right, mix it in, Bruce.
You gotta stir it all in.
Is that all? What happened to this? Well, I thought there was sauce in it.
This is the stuff like you get at the Mexican restaurant. That sometimes
Oh,
it
the
has.
Pico De Gallo. Oh, like that you put on top of it.
Yes, like you're on your taco and.
Oh, man.
And you always ask every time, how
Yeah.
can we make some of this?
Well, now you know.
Oh, so here it is.
Oh, the stuff
And we got to use our new toy.
like I asked at the restaurant, what's Pico De Gallo? And you said like tomato.
It's a
onion.
guy and a pig.
It's
You
Pico.
see this?
Not Pigo.
You,
Even Sophia come out. All right. Well, there you go.
all right, guy, you be the
Be the guinea pig.
GP.
Oh, it kind of looks like the stuff from the burritos.
Whoa.
Oh, is that the spicy stuff? That's
What does that mean?
That's on the burrito.
Oh, so why don't you just bring the chips over here so we can all sample?
Yeah, let's show everybody our little secret we found when we went to Moe's. Here's our secret we found when we went to Moe's. Moe's sells this huge bag of chips for $5. And I knew that was
And it
coming.
made Bruce's day.
Yes, I knew they were coming home with me immediately. Now, if it needs any salt or if you want more hot peppers, so if it's not,
All right, guys, and we've got plenty of scraps now for the chickens.
I can't get anybody to let me put a habanero in there though, because they're all scared. So.
Well, you're not putting it on mine. All right, thanks, guys, for watching, and I hope you learned a little something about our crazy life. Have a good one.
And the machine worked great.
And the machine works great. Thumbs up!
Wait, is this the grinder?